Alright, show me again. Show, show me the fire stuff.
It flies like it.
You try like that?
I mean, it turns.
Yeah. Oh, don't touch your legs. Woo!
And it puts it.
Okay, you gotta say, go, hi Momo, hi Papa.
Hi, Mama, Papa.
There you go. You're driving your first fire truck. So, you're gonna go drive to a fire?
Yeah.
You are? You're gonna go put the fire out?
Uh-huh.
Alright. You're a big fireman. Do you want?
Somebody say.
Do you want to be a fireman? All right.
Giant pig.
You waving to everybody? That's very nice of you. Beep beep beep. All right, boo. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Love you.